Hey, my name is Dr. Yakob Aklilu. I am the founder, CEO of Omninova. If you choose to fund Omninova, you are not simply giving us a prize. You are giving hope to millions of mothers, newborn, and family who desperately need better healthcare and brighter future. I promise that every resource entrusted to us will be used with dedication, integrity, and purpose. Your support will help to transform research into real solutions that save lives, reduce suffering, create lasting impact. You will never regret this decision throughout your life. You will remember that you helped make possible one of the most meaningful innovation for humanity. I truly believe Omninova has the potential to become one of the most impactful projects ever supported, and this could become one of the most memorable and life-changing awards in the history of the prize. Together, we can turn hope into reality, leave a legacy that will be felt for generations. So I'll start my slide. A 10 years promise to African mother. Every mother deserves to survive childbirth. Every newborn deserves a chance to celebrate a first birthday. For nearly a decade, Omninova has worked to ensure that poverty, distance, lack of access never determine who lives or who dies and dies. Our mission in numbers. Behind every static in human story, a mother who turned home safely, a newborn given a chance to live, and the family future was protected. 8,000 mothers and children are served. Throughout, we start a free medical campaign. Reached across underserved African communities through healthcare, education, and innovation. Years of commitment, 10 years of commitment, a decade of unwavering dedication to vulnerable families with limited resources. We have four pillars of impact: research, community service, health education, digital innovation, working in current. Embodying the vision of Sheikh Zayed. Sheikh Zayed's legacy was built on compassion, sustainability, and service to humanity, ensuring that the progress reaches those who need it most. Omninova shares that vision entirely. Life-saving healthcare, bringing maternal child health service into the most remote community, empowering communities, sustainable development begin with healthy family and informed mother. Healthcare education that reaches every home. We have YouTube, social media, especially we focus on TikTok, educational content on nutrition, maternal health, and child care, accessible to anyone with a phone. Community program, hand-on workshop teaching healthy food preparation, nutrition guidance for mother and children, nutritional logbooks, practical tools that help family track meal, monitor health, and build lasting healthy habits. How we reduce environmental impact. Omninova digital health system create shorter pathway to care, reducing unnecessary travel, saving time, lowering cost, decreasing carbon emission across remote region. We have digital health, reduce travel, lower emission, and saves cost. Environmental education, waste management, pollution reduction, nature friendly environment. Green energy, renewable power clinics for remote communities. We have a green power healthcare system using renewable energy solution, community education on waste management, pollution education, educational resource on living harmony with nature. Food, energy, water, and community resilience. Healthy community require more than healthcare. They require nutrition, clean energy, sustainable practice that indoor. Nutrition. Maternal and child nutrition education using locally available resources to combat hunger and malnutrition. Clean energy, advocating for renewable energy powered healthcare systems that reach the most underserved population. water and sanitation, community education on water safety, sanitation, environmental protection for lasting health. So our integrated ecosystem of care: healthcare access, health education, emergency response, climate and sustainability, nutrition guidance. So Omninova at the center, AI-powered ecosystem. Omninova powered by a research-driven AI-enabled ecosystem that connects every dimension of community health into one seamless platform designed to scale across Africa. Healthcare access, digital pathway connecting mother to life-saving care. Education, scalable content across YouTube, social media, community program. We are focusing now on TikTok. Nutrition, logbook guidance, locally sourced food education. Emergency response, rapid support system for maternal and newborn case. In this case, we have developed the world first triage system, ride taxi triage system. Nearby hospital will be activated and the patient will be. This is the world first and world that make world fastest at the same time healthcare delivery. Sustainability, green energy, environmental education, and climate resilience. Decade of impact by the numbers. 8,000 lives touched, mother children served across Africa through direct program digital outreach. This is without any funding. We have done it without funding. Free service without any external support. I have done it by myself. YouTube, social media, community program, logbook, books are reaching diverse audiences. 10 years of service, continuous operation despite limited resources, driven by mission of over the margin. Unified vision, a single mission, no mother left behind, no child forgotten. Every number represents a mother who turned home safely, a newborn who has given a chance to live, and a family who future protected. So why Omninova should win? Their Accessibility Prize, 6 initiatives that deliver impact, innovation, and inspire. Omninova deliver all the three. Impact, nearly 8,000 mothers and children served through decade of on the ground and digital program. Inspiration, 10 years of commitment to vulnerable community, providing the support outlast every obstacle. Innovation, an AI-powered, research-derived ecosystem integrating healthcare, education, nutrition, and sustainability. The legacy we build together. Winning the Accessibility Prize will allow Omninova to expand across Africa, reach millions of more mothers and newborn. Years from now, when a mother survives childbirth, because help arrived in time. When a newborn grow up, because care was accessible. They will remember who made it possible. They will remember that their Accessibility Prize believed in the vision where no mother left behind and no child is forgotten. That is the future we are building. That's the legacy we hope to create together. Omninova, every life has equal value. Thank you for your time.